Hello and welcome to the show. My name is John and today we're going to be checking out a product from Apple that has been 2 years old. And as a matter of fact, I've reviewed it here on the channel again. And well, these are the AirPods. We're going to be visiting them again and seeing if 2 years after the release date, they're still worth your hard-earned money. Oh, and spoiler alert, I use them every day. Alright, I'm gonna get straight into the point. Now the AirPods do have an odd design. It is just like you would cut a pair of earbuds right where the cable starts, and well, that's something that was criticized a lot by many people upon release. However, these days we just start to see those things more and more on the street on a day-to-day basis, meaning that people have slowly started to accept and embrace that design. And as a matter of fact, I believe that many people actually use the AirPods to show that, hey, I am wearing the AirPods. It's just like a statement in quotation marks. Now, for my opinion, their design is okay. It sure as hell could have been better, but it's okay. Now, if we're talking about the design, we definitely have to talk about the case, and that's because it's a whole thing on its own. Not only is it nice and functional because it actually charges the AirPods, and if you have your phone in reach, you can actually see the percentage of battery left in the case and the phone only if you open the lid, but the case itself is nice and minimal. Feels great in the hand, and it's overall a nice compact little box, which I actually find very addicting to open and close and just fidget around on my hand. And well, overall, needless to say, I believe that everything, this whole package feels great and has a great build quality, and definitely doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. But enough about the design. How do those things sound? Because at the end of the day, we are gonna be wearing those things to listen to music. And well, the sound quality is absolutely mediocre, and it's by no means the reason that this pair of earbuds costs that much money, $159 at the time of filming the video. Now, I do consider myself a bit of an audiophile, and I really like, as a matter of fact, good quality music, and therefore this hardware doesn't really provide that incredibly good sound quality that I would want and I'm used from some other pair of earbuds that I've tried and used. So then you might ask, John, why did you say that you use those things on a day-to-day basis? And well, that's for everything else that might require a pair of earbuds apart from listening to music. Say for example that I want to listen to a video, I want to see a video on YouTube on my phone, and I want to use headphones because I don't want to annoy anyone else in the living room whilst I'm just sitting there with my phone. Also, say for example that I get a phone call from someone, or I actually go and call someone. That's what is going to be my go-to pair of earbuds, and that's because the overall simplicity and the ease of connectivity is what got me tied into the AirPods in the first place. Now, speaking of the ease of connectivity and use, charging is also really easy and seamless. They charge inside the case holds a bit of charge on its own, and overall you don't have to worry about the battery life at all. It will easily last you for a long time, as long as you remember every here and then to plug it into a lightning cable. But that's, let's say, just once a week, when you don't really, it's not something that you have to consider doing on a day-to-day basis or anything like that. So I guess this brings us to the final question that, well, the video started with. Is this pair of earbuds still worth it 2 years after their release? Now, given that we don't really have any kind of rumors as of right now to have any kind of AirPods 2.0, which is going to be a massive redesign, improved sound quality or anything like that in the works, or at least we don't know about anything like that, I'd say that really comes down to what is your priority. This is by no means a pair of cheap earbuds. This is $159 at the time of filming the video, as I previously said. And well, it really depends what you personally want. If you're all about sound quality and don't care about the looks or any other of the bells and whistles that the AirPods come with, then it's definitely not for you. And that's because there's so many other options if you look on Amazon for that price point and even less that will more than likely sound better. On the other hand, if you are the type of person that likes gadgets, technology, and overall you would find yourself liking and using the other bells and whistles that the AirPods come with, i.e. the ease of connectivity, the simplicity of overall using them, then this is a pair of earbuds that will definitely not leave you disappointed. By the way guys, that's all I'm going to make in this video. If you like it, you might want to consider clicking the like button and also subscribing and hitting the notification icon if you've not done so already, because I upload twice a week technology oriented videos. By the way guys, my name has been John and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.